Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you have a lot of dark and dismal cupboards or closet areas where you can't see anything, then you really need some under-counter lights from POVODA. I got these 15.7-inch lights and oh, they are so amazing. I often find myself using my phone as a flashlight to find things in the cupboard, and it is so nice to be able just to pop my head inside and be able to see everything. The only caution I have for you is, oof, you're gonna be able to see all the dirt and dust that you didn't know was there. These are great. They have 3 different settings on them for motion sensor at night, during the day, or just continuously on. And they also have 3 different tones of light. I like the middle one because it's kind of a cross between real bright white and a warm light. These come with everything you need to install them. If you're not already placing them on a metal surface, these come with full-length metal bars that you can stick to whatever surface that you want with the enclosed stickers. I absolutely love these lights. They are so convenient, and of course they light up all the places I need to see, and that's my point of view.